friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add video in PowerPoint. And this can be whether the video is online, you can embed that video within it, or if you have a video locally on your computer, you can add it to your PowerPoint presentation as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply open up PowerPoint here. So let me go ahead and open up Microsoft PowerPoint, and I'm going to choose something from a template. So let's choose this template here, right? So I'm going to choose this one here, and I'm going to click create, and let's have something nice and basic, right? So let's say I would like to add the video right here. So I'm going to remove these texts really from here and just kind of make it very clean so that we can add the video here, right? So we have a text box, but we can remove that. So the first way I'm going to show you is how to add it if the video is locally on your computer. So all you have to do is simply click and insert, and then you want to click on the drop down here that says video towards the right hand side. So click on this drop down, and you have two options from device and online video. So choose this device, and I'm going to choose something locally. So let me click something that I recently recorded, and let's choose, for example, this one here, yeah, as an example. You click on that. As you can see, the video is added, but it takes over the entire window or the entire page here in my PowerPoint. So if you want it to be like this, you can leave it as is. But if you want to reduce it to a specific size on the side of your PowerPoint, just simple click on one of the sides and drag it to make it smaller. And as you can see, it's being small down a bit there. So this is how you can easily reduce the sizing of the video. You can move it around anywhere you want, but it's very easy, guys, and you can play it. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and play this for a moment. Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and there you have it. So this is how you can easily go ahead and add the video that is locally on your computer. Now, what if you want to embed something from, let's say, YouTube as an example? So I'm going to make this smaller as well, and I'm going to choose something from YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is head over to YouTube and find a video link. So let me do that. So I'm going to head over to YouTube, and I'm going to take something from my channel. So let's go to Drew Tutorial. Let's take, for example, this video here. I can simply click the three dots here, and I can easily go ahead and click share, and I can copy the link for this video here. Very easy. So I can copy the video link, or you can always open up the video, and once the video is playing, you can copy the link as well. But it goes to the same, so so here you have the video link. You can always copy it from here. So now that you see that I have the video link of one of my videos directly coming from YouTube, I'm going to simply go ahead and close the window. So all you have to do again, guys, is go back to insert, and then you want to click the video drop down here and choose online videos. You'll get this pop-up here that basically asks you to enter the URL of the video, and as you can see, it supports Vimeo, SlideShare, and YouTube. So you can simply go ahead and paste the video link for the YouTube video. You will see the thumbnail here. If you click on play, it will play as well. PC component, right? And you want to simply click and insert. As you can see, it's currently loading. Again, the size will be very large, so you need to resize it to where you want. Once you resize it, you can position it anywhere you want on the screen. And once you do that, you can go ahead and play it. Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. There's Defender, as you can see, it says, and there you have it. So you see that the video is actually playing within the PowerPoint presentation. Keep in mind, as you can see, that there was some ads showing. If you have ads on your YouTube video or the video contain ads, then you will notice that the ads will show because this is pulling directly from YouTube. But guys, this is how to add video in PowerPoint, whether the video is locally on your computer or it is coming from an online source. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.